Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the constructors in Java. The constructors in Java is a terminology used to construct something in our programs. Constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize an object. The constructor is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for the object attributes. In Java, a constructor is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created. At the time of calling the constructor, memory of the object is allocated in the memory. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. We know that one thing, it is necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because Java compiler creates a default constructor. If our class doesn't have any constructor, then how the constructors are different in the methods in Java. Constructor must have the same name as the class within the each it is defined, not necessary for the method in Java. Constructors do not return any type while method have return type, or while it does not return any return type. Constructors are called only once at time of object creations, while methods can be called any member of time. Then when constructor is called, each time an object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor, it could be the default constructor, is invoked to assign initial values to the data members of the same class is created. Then rules for writing constructor we are discussed. The constructor of a class name must have the same name as the class name in which it resides. A constructor in Java cannot be the abstract, final, static, or synchronized. Access modifiers can be used in constructor declaration to control its access. That is, other class can call the constructor. So by far we have learned constructors are used to initialize the object state. Like methods, a constructor also contains a collection of statements that are executed at the time of object creation. Now is the correct time to now we will discuss about the in detail the type of the constructor. There are three types of the constructor: no argument constructor, parameterized constructor, and the default constructor. The no argument constructor that has a no parameter is known as the no argument constructor or zero argument constructor. If we don't know about the constructor in a class, then the compiler creates a constructor with the no arguments for the class, and if we write a constructor with arguments or no arguments, then the compiler does not have create a default constructor. Then later one is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor, it is the visible constructor that are created by the user or programmer with has minimum two parameters. Okay, thank you.